Welcome to my channel. Good morning, dear.
Good morning, Mom.
What would you like for breakfast?
I want bread and jam.
Go wash your hands before breakfast.
Okay, Mom.
Don't forget to drink your milk.
I already drank it.
Come help me in the kitchen.
Okay, Mom. What should I do?
Use the apron when you cook.
Yes, it keeps my clothes clean.
Wash the vegetables.
Should I cut them too?
Yes, cut the carrots and potatoes.
How small should I cut them?
Make them medium-sized pieces.
Got it, Mom.
Can you bring the oil from the shelf?
Here it is.
We are out of oil.
Should I buy some from the shop?
Light the stove, please.
Done, the flame is on.
Stir the curry while I chop the onions.
It smells so good.
Add some salt now.
Is 1 spoon enough?
Yes, that's perfect.
What should I do next?
Bring the rice container.
Should I start boiling the rice?
Check if the rice is cooked.
It's still a little hard.
Lower the flame.
Done, Mom.
Hand me the knife.
Be careful, it's sharp.
Do you want to help me fry the fish?
Yes, I did love to.
Clean the plates.
I already did it.
Don't forget to close the gas.
I'll remember, Mom.
Can you pass me the turmeric?
Here you go.
The curry looks ready.
Shall I serve it?
Yes, serve it on the table.
I'm setting the plates too.
Bring some water in a jug.
Cold or normal?
Let's make a salad today.
I'll cut the cucumber and tomatoes.
Don't waste the vegetables.
Sorry, I'll be careful.
The oil is too hot, wait.
Okay, I will wait.
Mix the spices well.
They are blending nicely.
Don't keep the milk boiling too long.
It's almost done.
The curry needs more salt.
I'll add a little more.
Can you sweep the kitchen floor?
Sure, I'll do it right now.
Put the vegetables in the basket.
Done, Mom.
We need to clean the fridge today.
I will help you, Mom.
Let's have lunch now.
I'm really hungry.
Did you wash your hands?
Oh, I forgot.
Do you like today's food?
It's delicious, Mom.
Keep the leftovers in the fridge.
Okay, I will pack it.
Be careful with the knife.
Don't worry, I am careful.
Let's make some tea.
Yes, I love tea time with you.
The tea is ready.
I will bring the cups.
Where is the sugar container?
It's on the second shelf.
Let's make paratha tonight.
I will help you roll the dough.
Did you close the lid properly?
Let me check again.
Don't touch the hot pan.
Oops. I almost did.
Thank you for helping today.
I love cooking with you, Mom.
Cooking is fun when we do it together.
Yes, I learn a lot from you.
Thanks for watching. Design plus Canva. Learning starts at home. Subscribe for more daily English.